ACE, Action Construction Equipment Limited, is the leading construction equipment manufacturing company in the country with a dominating position in mobile crane, tower crane and crawler crane segments. ACE has a consolidated presence in all major infrastructure, construction, heavy engineering and industrial projects across the country with the widest product range. The company is promoted and managed by professionals having rich experience in the construction equipment domain. ACE is a dynamic and powerful enterprise with its corporate office and production facilities based at the industrial township of Faridabad, about 40 kilometers from New Delhi, the capital of India. The workforce comprises of technically qualified and experienced engineers having an undaunted commitment towards total quality management. ACE team is not only technically qualified but also professionally committed to handle areas of design, development, production, materials, marketing and product support. The company not only manufactures quality equipment but also manufactures quality with consistency. An ISO 9001 certification confirms that our standards meet the most stringent international norms. The policy of responding with speed and expertise has been rewarded over the years with constant growth of the company, and ACE has been leading the mobile crane industry in the country for more than a decade now. Another factor driving our growth has been the versatility of our equipment to satisfy a vast range of possible applications. Ruggedness and improved design features give our cranes the versatility to operate in the worst and the roughest of terrains. A lot of technical and functional advantages have been incorporated in our cranes over the years, like front-mounted ergonomically designed cabin, heavy-duty and robust structures, better ground clearance, faster traveling speeds, increased load lifting capacities, higher lifting heights, and currently ACE pick and carry cranes are manufactured from 9 tons to 20 tons capacities. High-tech, customer-centric, state-of-the-art manufacturing facility with well-laid-out assembly lines and material flows are focused on constant innovation for greater control of final product quality. Company's pioneering efforts in engineering capabilities in manufacturing enables it to set new benchmarks in terms of scale, sophistication and speed. Over a short span of time, ACE has become a recognized player in the tractor industry, catering to the agriculture and industrial sectors. Our tractor range features high torque, low fuel consumption engines, providing multifaceted benefits to the end users, and the range consists of tractors from 35 horsepower to 60 horsepower categories. ACE rubber track mounted harvesters have been added in the agri portfolio to cater to rice and other wet field crops. ACE Tractor Plant has state-of-the-art equipment and facilities for production of world-class products and is equipped with proper testing and quality control equipment to keep thorough checks throughout the assembly till the finished product is rolled out. ACE has progressed all along to become the largest tower crane manufacturing company in the country with an exhaustive presence in all major cities across India. ACE produces fixed tower cranes of up to 230 meters heights and 70 meters jib lengths and self-erecting tower cranes of 24 meters and 36 meters heights. Our tower cranes have superior performance parameters and capacities, leading to faster cycle times, improved efficiency and productivity. The plant is fully equipped to produce more than 500 machines every year, and stringent quality control measures along with trained workforce ensures optimum product quality and reliability. And today, ACE is the largest tower crane manufacturing company in the country. Latest design and engineering techniques are being used to manufacture tower cranes with world-class features. Every tower crane component is put through the shot blasting machine to ensure stress removal and superior paint finish. ACE is one of the leading companies in the forklift industry and offers diesel, electric as well as LPG-operated forklift trucks, ranging from 1.5 tons to 35 tons capacity. A lot of technical and functional advantages, along with a host of features, have been incorporated in our forklifts, leading to improved product performance. And today, ACE has conquered a consolidated presence in the Indian material handling industry. Our well-laid-out production facilities and assembly lines ensure that top-end products are delivered to customers and are at par with the best in the world. In-house fabrication facilities for chassis and mass ensure product quality and reliability. ACE Road Making and Earth Moving Division manufactures backhoe loaders, wheeled loaders, vibratory soil compactors, vibratory tandem rollers and motor graders. All these machines are provided with world-class features and performance parameters. The state-of-the-art plant is fully equipped to produce 1,200 machines annually. To cater to the growing demand of road construction machinery across the country, ACE backhoe loaders have 1 cubic meter front loading bucket and 0.24 cubic meter rear excavating bucket. Backhoe loaders are also available with 4-wheel drive option. ACE articulated wheeled loaders are available in 3 tons and 5 tons capacity with ergonomically designed cabin as standard fitment. ACE vibratory soil compactors are available in 10 tons and 12 tons capacities, and the total applied force is comparable to the best in the world. 9 tons class tandem vibratory roller is fitted with variable frequency mode to match the natural frequency of the soil, and the hydraulically shifting operator console and seat are a standard feature to speed up productivity and provide operator comfort. Ruggedness and powerful engine make ACE motor grader suitable for Indian operating conditions. Well-designed cabin is an integral part of our standard supply. Front dozer blade and rear ripper are available optionally. ACE is India's largest producer of hydraulic crawler cranes, and our cranes are being used extensively at heavy engineering, infrastructure and construction sites. ACE crawler cranes are fitted with top-end aggregates to provide seamless reliability and performance. Safety features and working performance of our cranes are at par with the best in the world. And today, most of the leading contractors and construction companies have moved away from foreign brands and rely on ACE for their crawler crane needs. Truck cranes of 14 tons, 25 tons and 40 tons capacities are produced by ACE. And shortly, 50 tons and 75 tons capacity truck cranes are going to be introduced. ACE also manufactures lorry loader cranes from 6-ton meter to 20-ton meter capacities. ACE R&D Center based at Faridabad emphasizes on development and speedy commercialization of globally competitive products, processes and technologies. ACE R&D professionals work continuously towards development of new products, product upgradation and value engineering to keep pace with modern technology. ACE R&D Center has been duly approved by Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, Government of India. ACE has established a dedicated training center at Faridabad to provide operation and maintenance training to customer personnel. Regular periodic training courses have been formulated to enhance operator and engineer skill levels. The company has a strong belief in social responsibility, and to this effect, the company has formed ACE Free Emergency Service, which operates emergency response ambulances with paramedics and high-tech medical equipment on board to save precious lives in case of road mishap or medical emergencies. This 24/7 free service is operational in the districts of Faridabad and Palwal and is managed by a dedicated control and command center with in-house doctors. An effective sales and service network and comprehensive follow-up system makes it possible to provide all the customers with effective distribution and service assistance that has the priority of servicing their real needs. After-sales service and supply of spare parts are most important aspect of today's environment, and ACE caters to this requirement through its All India Sales and Service Network, operating out of 100 locations and supported by 15 regional offices. ACE firmly believes in the quality of its products and product support, and this is the secret of the company's capacity to satisfy its customers.